What happened to Pythons when working with Boolean? In a pandas data frame, I have a series of Boolean values. In order to filter to rows where the Boolean is true, I can use df.column_x. I thought in order to filter to only rows where the column is false, I could use df.column_x. I feel like I have done this before, and have seen it as the accepted answer. However, this fails because df.column_x converts the values to integers. See below. Basically, I can use C, B, but not C, C.Boolean. Am I just dreaming that this used to work?
Since you created the C by using DataFrame constructor, then T. First, let us look at what we have before T. So pandas will make each columns only have one type, if not it will convert to object. After T, what data type we have for each columns? The types in your C. Boolean columns became object type, that is why you get unexpected output for C.Boolean. How to fix it? Concat.